Have you ever felt like you're drowning in information? Imagine a student sitting at their desk right now, surrounded by notes, but none of it makes sense. It's not because they aren't trying, it's because their knowledge is scattered and unorganized, making it nearly impossible to retain what they've learned.
This is the reality for many students when education lacks a proper structure. In our project, we've identified that this organized state is like a skewed tree in data structure. It is biased, inefficient, and leaves people behind. To achieve the SDG number 4, quality education, we have to fix this imbalance.
Think about this way. What if we organize every lesson like a binary tree? The main subject acts the root, subtopics are the branches, and specific lessons are the leaves. This hierarchical model turns into a chaotic mess, into an all-logan and searchable structure. This means even with a limited resources or technology, a student can find exactly what they will need instantly.
We didn't just stop at the concept. We look at the mathematical backbone. When we analyze students struggling with disorganized material, the descriptive statistics tell a clear story. These students often have a mean score of 72%, but a very high standard deviation of 15. That high deviation means their learning is inconsistent. Success is almost left to chance.
But look at what happens when that same student uses a structured tree model.
The result shifts dramatically. The mean scores rise to 88% and the standard deviation drops to just 4. This isn't just about higher grades. That's how low deviation proves that a full, complete binary tree structure provides a balanced, inclusive, and reliable education for everyone regardless of their starting point.
It also changes the way they interact with information through decision processes. According to our research, binary trees are used in decision making. If a student understands a parent concept, the algorithm moves them to the right child for advanced topics. If not, it branches to the left child to reinforce the basics.
This is adaptive learning from its purest form. By applying these quantitative techniques, we can organize vast educational libraries so that no student is left wandering through disorganized data. We are advocating for structural balance to ensure that curricula are not biased, but are instead inclusive for all.
Imagine the impact on a global scale. In marginalized areas where education is often disorganized, this hierarchical efficiency can bridge the gap. It's about taking complex concepts and making them relatable through simple visuals and real life examples.
It's pretty clear. Structure reduces the noise and increases retention. By looking at the probability of success, students use the structured paths have a much narrower margin of error and a more predictable road to graduation.
Our goal is a balanced curriculum, a complete tree where every branch is supported and every leaf is rich. We want to show how these three structures can truly improve the learning and support quality education for all.
This is more just a school project. It's a technical solution to a global equality. When we provide a solid root, we allow everyone the chance to grow.
From scattered lessons to a structured future, when we organize the way we teach, we change the way the world learns.
Quality education starts with a solid root.